Okay, back out here. That's my cable for my recirculation pump. My pump is back here, right there. So we got to get that pump assembly, this right here, taken out of there. So that's new one. First step, we're gonna have to go around, turn off the circuit breaker. So we'll be right back. Okay, I went back and flipped my circuit breaker. First, I gotta get these wires out of the way. These go up to your buttons to your, well, we're gonna go ahead and unplug the recirculation pump. That's done. We're gonna get these cables right here out of the way. These go up to your lights. They're air buttons. They go up to your lights, your jets, and your turbo. So we'll figure those out when we're done. But all you do is just unplug those. So move those out of the way. Jerk those up here. Okay, we have those tucked out of the way. So now, we gotta get this pump out. So step one, we gotta close. I gotta pull out this little tool here, put this valve, close it. That shuts off the water line. There's another one back here. We gotta pull this little plastic piece out and get that valve. That'll close off the water line. We gotta get that closed and push that all the way down. So please hold. All right. I'll plug that back up for a second. All right, I got both my valves down. One, and there's another one back there. All right, so I think we're closed all the way. We should get any water leaking out. So now I got to take off that hose clamp and that clamp right there. Then there's a grounding cable right there, that copper wire. I got to get that off too once I get these other things off. So, all right, I'm going to stop now and get those things off. 1, 2, 3 things I need to get off, and I should be able to pull that pump right out of there. All right, that is my new pump, the old pump. Headed back to Royal Spa right now and trying to beat this weather because it's snowing out and we got a winter storm. Here we are, once again, back at Royal Spa. We're gonna go right here to the side to the service and parts department. Okay, back home, new pump. Got a couple parts. I got a couple fittings I need to put on here. This is your outlet. This is your inlet to your pump. I'm gonna put these fittings on, and then we'll go get the new pump installed. And we got our screw here for our ground wire. That's important to hook that up. That's for safety. If for some reason you get a 220 volt wire shorted to anything metal, this provides a low resistance path to ground and will chip your breaker, save your life. Always hook that up, okay? All right. Okay, back in business. Got a little jet stream down there coming out of that spout, so I need to get everything. I got everything plugged back up. I need to hook up my little air switches for my lights and my turbo and my jets, and we're good to go. These little 3 lines right here, I need to hook those back on. And they go back there. There's one you can see right there. So there's 3 of them down there. So, okay, back in business. My heater lamp is on. We're good to go.